You know, it's a nice day out here and all, and I don't mind hanging out, but I thought we were going to do some shooting today.
Well, you know, a lot of times we hand throw our clays when we're shooting trick shots. I thought it was time to do some long-range trick shots.
Okay. I see no thrower.
Well, you just got to go over the hill and through the woods, and I've got a thrower up out there about 90 yards.
Just 90?
Just 90 yards.
Oh, okay. No problem. Pull. Yes.
Nice.
Just like that.
Nice. Well, I got a few other ideas.
All right, let's go get at it.
"80 yards between the legs." Pull. Nailed it.
Let's step it back a little bit. 81 yards behind the back. Pull. Boom! That's where it's at. You're up, Aaron.
It's time for some 82-yard push-ups. Woo-wee!
Going 180 over the shoulder on this one. Stepping it back all the way to, you guessed it, 85 yards. Pull. Woo! That's where it's at. Yes!
We're back to where we started. Here's 90 yards one-handed. Pull.
Boom!
Nailed it.
That's a lot of fun.
That is a lot of fun.
I mean, way different than hand throwing a clay target, right?
Yes, it is.
But still totally possible. If you guys noticed, you were able to see our wad when we shot very, very clearly. That's because we were using the Winchester tractor ammunition. Helped us out just a little bit.
A little bit.
To know where we're shooting. It's a great tool for that, by the way. And if you think this is long-range shooting, stay tuned. We got a whole lot more coming. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel by clicking right up here.
To watch our latest video, click right over here. Remember, it's impossible to hit the shots you never take.
So pull the trigger, lob your shot out there, long range, and shoot for your dreams. See ya!